And now we go to the second architect, because I mentioned there are three architects, to an architect who didn't build, as far as I know, Alexander Tzonis, Greek, but he published extensively, and apparently he brought to to the public attention the words critical regionalism. So Alexander Tzonis, born on November 8th, is a Greek-born architect, author, and researcher. He has made contributions to architectural theory, history, and design cognition, bringing together scientific and humanistic approaches in a synthesis. Since 1975, he has been collaborating in most projects with Liane Lefebvre. In 1985, he founded and directed Design Knowledge Systems. I don't know, it sounds a little bit too technocratic for me, a multidisciplinary research institute for the study of architectural theory and the development of design thinking tools at TU, the Technical University of Delft. Tzonis is known for his work on the classical canon, history of the emergence and development of modern architectural thinking, creative design by analogy, and introducing the idea of critical regionalism. Here is the man. And yes, when we think of critical regionalism, we think of Kenneth Frampton, but apparently the one who invented in a way this expression was him, Alexander Tzonis. The Poetics of Order, Classical Architecture, a book that he published together with his partner Liane Lefebvre. Here they are, together of them at some conference. They are quite active, and they were quite active. Here they are again on the right. Liane Lefebvre, his partner, intellectual partner, I don't know if what else, but anyway, they work together, and here they are talking about tomorrow's cities, lessons from history, playgrounds, and the third ecology. Beautiful title, Lessons from History, Playgrounds, and the Third Ecology. Nice that the playgrounds are not forgotten. And this is this symposium, The Architecture of Regionalism in the Age of Globalization, and the two of them are on the left. The Architecture of Regionalism in the Age of Globalization, Peaks and Valleys in the Flat World, another nice wording, Peaks and Valleys in the Flat World. By the two of them, Times of Creative Destruction. I like this title too, Shaping Buildings and Cities in the Late 20th Century by Alexander Tzonis and Liane Lefebvre. And let's wish him happy birthday. He's alive and he was born on November 8th.